Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change your password on MEXC Global or MEXC. So what you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you're using the official MEXC website. And once you're here, you will just have to select login, and then you will just, of course, have to make sure that the credentials that you will put are all right so that you will be able to be successful in logging in. And once you've logged into your account, you will go to the account section. So it should be right here, but it really depends on the layout that that your version has. So if you see the account section, you will just have to click that and then click security and select change password. And then you will enter your current password and then you will have to type your new strong password. Confirm the new password and then you will also have to complete the 2FA verification, and then you will just have to click save and then confirm, and now your password will be updated. And after that, you will just have to log out and log back in with a new password to confirm. And by the way, you should use a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other accounts. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.